everybody! Today we're going to be making some parsley pesto. Now when you go to your supermarket and you get your parsley, bring it home and give it a good washing. And then when you're done washing it, put it on a baking sheet with a towel and make sure you dry it really good. Unless you have a salad spinner, then you could just put it in there and dry it. The rest of the ingredients you're going to be needing is olive oil, Parmesan cheese, garlic cloves, and pine nuts. Okay, so I cut the 8-ounce block of cheese into cubes, and then I'm going to use my food processor here, and I'm going to shred it. Okay, when you get done washing your parsley, if you want, you could cut these really big stems off like I am. Unless you want to leave them on, it's entirely up to you. Okay, so I have 4 bushels of the parsley, and I chopped it. And there's the 8 ounces of the Parmesan cheese, and that's shredded. Okay, so what I did, guys, is I put half of the parsley into my food processor. Okay, I have half a cup of olive oil. I'm going to put it in while it's processing, and we're going to take it from there. Next, I'm putting in 1/3 of a cup of pine nuts. Put 3 whole cloves of garlic in. Put your 4 ounces of cheese in, half the cheese that you shredded. Okay, so at this point, you taste it, and I'm going to add 2 more cloves of garlic and some more olive oil. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and we'll take it and see how it is from there. Okay, guys, we thought our pesto was too cheesy, so we ended up adding another bushel of parsley. If you like it cheesy, you keep it that way. Okay, I'm gonna put the last bushel in. Now, for this pesto, people don't give you the right measurements for their pesto. This is the whole 4 bushels of parsley that we put in this pesto. Okay, I'm gonna add another 2 ounces of pine nuts. Okay, guys, so after leaving it mixed for about 5 minutes, this is what the consistency you're looking for. Okay, so when it was all said and done, my husband figured it out, and what you need for 4 bushels of parsley or basil is 4 ounces of pine nuts, 4 ounces of Parmesan cheese, 1 3/4 cup of olive oil, 13 cloves of garlic, and 1 1/2 tablespoons of salt. And this you could put on toast, crackers, or noodles. Enjoy!